Morning, once again. Life has led me here. This will be my final attempt for the waterfall. It's an absolutely bloody stunning day. In fact, I get some sun. I am going to put factor 50 on though. My cream will block out the sun. I'm going to get to this waterfall today if it kills me. It's right there, look. There. I am going to get to that waterfall. This no longer has anything to do with ghost tube, paranormal, whatever. It's just a slight obsession now. I'm getting to that waterfall. Look, there's the lone tree from last time. It's not raining. Oh shit. But I forgot my phone. So I'm going into uncharted territory without any contact to the outside world. It's not good. It's not good. I think I'll be alright. I mean, if I do get into trouble... Jesus, I didn't see that. I'm pretty loud. I'm sure if I shout for hours on end, some sheep will probably hear me. But anyway, now just like last time, I don't know whether to go down here, which I can get down, it's a bit steep, or walk over there and then go across. I don't know. It's a bit dangerous, I must say, but I'm a man of danger. Once again, I have made a terrible mistake. It's a bit of a drop. Do I go around this corner here, which that is stupid, even for me. Actually, no, fucking hell, that's oh, I just looked down. Big mistake. That's not the way to go. Oh my god. Bloody hell, man. I just want to get to that cocking waterfall. It's right there, look. I'm going to see what's over this fence. Hopefully I don't cut my bollocks open. This might be the stupidest thing I've done. It's pretty steep. I'm holding on to these bloody bushes for dear life as I go down. Mom, if you see this, I'm obviously alright because I edited the video. Shit. Ooh. Right, this is stupid. I'm halfway down now, so I gotta make it. I'm down. A few times coming down there, a little bit of pup might have come out. Out of all the dumb shit I've done, and I've done some dumb shit, I think this is one of the, this is up there in the top 3 of the dumb shit I've done. I have to get back up here later when I want to go back. What an idiot. That's one of the stupidest things I think I've ever done. And the annoying thing is, I can see something over there, which obviously it looks like a path or something. So if there's a path there now I could have taken, I'm going to be bloody annoyed. Oh god, it's nice to be on firm ground again. Bloody hell. Look, there's something fenced off there. And not a farmer's fence, an actual bloody fence. So I've got, oh shit, I've obviously missed a path somewhere. Look. Oh god. Oh fuck me. What's this? I don't even know what this is. This isn't the waterfall, by the way. Ah, it looks so nice and cool. Can I walk on this? Probably can. Hopefully. Oh shit, no actually. That doesn't feel good. That does not feel good. Oh god. What am I doing? What am I doing? Look, there's a gate here. I know where, if I travel down there like about 2 miles, I know where that town is. But I didn't know I could get up here from here. I should have gone that way. So I'm assuming there's a track up there, maybe. Oh, do you know what? I'm so far away from my car now. I'm so far away from my car. It's going to take me ages to get back to my car. Whether I go up there or if I go to that waterfall, I can go across the trees up there, but I'd still have like about a 2 or 3 mile walk down the road to my car. Remember I said I was dumb? Look, there's an actual track here. I obviously could have come from the town just down there. How annoying. If I'd known that, I would have. I'm almost there. Do you know, right, after all this now, get all the troubles I've been through to get here, and I see some fucking kids up here drinking cans of lager because it's so easy to get to, I'll be fucking pissed. I'll ask for a can first, but then I'll be pissed. Look, there's even an iron bridge there, look. Crying out loud. I've never been here in my life. Ever. And I don't live far from here. I'm just like about 4 miles down the road, maybe. I could go across the rickety bridge. Oh, look at that. Another rickety concrete bloody bridge. Oh shit. It's like I'm in Far Cry 5 now. Montana. I don't know how to traverse this ocean, lake, dirty pond, I don't know. I'm boiling. Oh God. I don't think I'm going to call this failed adventures anymore. I'm going to call this Mr. Grey's dumb shit. The dumb shit I do just to see something. The waterfall is right there. You're going to see the jump of champions over this humongous river right now. Ready? I'm going to leap for my life. Oh shit. Hang on. Ready? Made it. Look, more. Ow! Shit! More gate. What's that gate doing? Nothing. That's what it's doing. I'm almost there. This is my Everest. I almost made it. Hello. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's deep. Oh my god. Oh, I have to cross it again. Bloody hell. I can hear the shit, I can hear the waterfall. This better be good now. Well, I've made it. I've made it. I'm surrounded by not cliffs, the person, but cliffs. Yeah. This better be spectacular. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's not a massive waterfall or anything, but it is pretty cool. Oh! I'm fucked. Luckily, I came prepared this time. I got 2 Mars bars, 2 half-drunk Lucozade bottles, and factor 50. I'm ready. Oh no! I dropped my hat! Shit! Ah, it's only a bit wet. It's actually cooling my head down. I'm going to try and find somewhere to sit. I have no idea if you can hear me, by the way. But I'm in the shade. I finally found somewhere to sit. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm knackered. I'm actually genuinely quite worried about getting back because it might not look it, but that was a hell of a climb to get up here. Hell of a climb. And it's always easier getting up than getting down. When it comes to places like this, it's always easier climbing up than there is climbing down. That's a fact. That's why so many people die coming down from Everest, not going up. I mean, a lot of people die going up as well. I'm not saying this is Everest, I'm just saying, when it comes to climbing shit, it's easier going up. And the problem is, I haven't got my phone. It's the stupidest thing, I never forget my phone. I forgot it this morning. So something happened to me here now. I'm jinxing myself by saying this. Something happened to me here. Because, you know, I'm right under the cliff. A rock could come down, whatever. Nobody would find me. Nobody knows I'm here. You hear that, lizard people? I know you're here. I genuinely don't know how I'm going to get back down. I was going to do a comments video up here, but 1, I don't think you can hear me, and 2, I genuinely have to get back down now because I can't stay up here too long. Because 1, Wales are playing South Africa with the 3rd test today. Come on, Wales! And 2, I just don't want to stay here too long because, like I said, I'm covered side by side with cliffs. A rock or something could fall and hit my big bald bones. But I am glad I made it. I can feel the splash. It's really nice. I can't get too close because obviously those rocks there are really slippery. I'm gonna get the thumbnail. I'm wearing this weird hat now because it's more comfy. I bought this in Glastonbury in 2014. Or might be 2013, I can't remember. But getting down there was the most I have ever concentrated in my life. Right, I'm heading back down. I look like a leprechaun. I bought this in Glastonbury, like I said, I think it's 2013, 2014. Me and my mate Robin went. If you see this, hello. She bought like a cool cowboy hat, and I bought this, thinking, that looks cool, that's Glastonbury. I look like a tit. But it does hide my big bolt bonds from the sunshine right now. So, and now I genuinely don't know how I'm going to get back to my car. Because like I said, that mountain right there, hang on. That mountain right there is the one I came down. Because right up there is the lone tree right there. That's the way I came down. And it was fucking hell, I shit myself then. Let's see Mr. Grey get scared. This scared me. That bloody thing scared the shit out of me then. Out the corner of my eye, I thought that was like someone in white walking past me. I fucking shit myself. I thought I only got scared in video games. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot what I was saying. I could try and get back up there. I think I can, I don't know. My only other option is the path I found down there. Oh shit! I know which town I'll end up in. Little village, sorry, not town. I know which village I'll end up in. But if I go down there to get back up to my car, up that road, it's going to be 4 or 5 mile walk. I really don't want to do that. I would go to that village and call someone for a lift, but because I'm a fucking moron, I forgot my phone, didn't I? You understand my dilemma? I can hear a plane. Can you see him? Hey, I'm down here. He can't hear me. This place gives off a cool echo now, watch now. Hello! Hello! Echo! I don't know if that's been picked up, but it's pretty cool. Alright, I think, I'm going to use the technical term here, I think I'm proper fucked. That's where I need to go. I don't know if it's showing how steep that is, but I can tell you now it was steep coming down. Or I can go that way, but if I go that way, it's a 5 mile walk to my car. Ah, for fuck's sake. I'm going to try and climb up there and I'll see what happens. I do have climbing experience, you know. When I was 14 years old in the Army Cadets, I did rock climbing. That counts. That counts, surely. My big bald head is sweating so hard right now. Anyway. I'm fucked. I've been falling into this little track for the last 10 minutes. I'm hoping it gets me somewhere up there to maybe a track which gets somewhere close to my car. But in fact, I can tell you something. I've done some calorie burning right now. I'm getting rid of these chins. But if I go any longer, this is where I live now. This may have to be where I live. I mean, I got 2 Mars bars. If I nibble about that much of a Mars bar every 6 hours, I think I could last a few days. Until someone eventually gives up not looking for me. Fuck me, I'm fucked. This is, when I said earlier, this is what up there with the top 3 of the dumb things I've done. It's top now, because I'm fucked. But anyway, I think I found a way. I came from down there. Around there is the waterfall. But I think if I go up there, I may still have a climb, but at least it won't be as steep as what I came down. I bloody found it! Nobody can hear my triumphant scream. I was right. Look. You know what that post means? It means it's an official mountain walking track. It would usually say something in there, it's like, I don't know, the trail or something, I can't remember. I still got to get up this shit. But that's way more doable than going up there. I found these steps, but they're like the bloody steps to, I don't know, Mount Bloody Mordor or something. Where do these steps go? Nowhere. Oh wait. Oh look, there's more steps. Are these ancient hobbit steps left here for us descendants? Oh, they're working. Oh, I love them. Brilliant. I'm up. I'm bloody up. People, I am up. That's where I came from. I still gotta go up here. It's so close I can reach it. Ah, fucked. Oh my god. I wish cameras could give you a sense of depth of how far that is, how far away that is. That mountain there, I went around there, that's where the waterfall is. I've made it to the top. I'm finally up the top. There's a dude. Right. There. He's just digging for stuff. I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he's digging for shrooms. I don't think there's shrooms on this mountain. I'm so close to my car. It's brilliant. I love it. I'm gonna go say hello to him now. What a nice bloke he was. I don't know what he's searching for. He's searching for something, but he said he had a tub of ice cream on the floor. And there's a goat. Right over there, his horns are massive. I have no idea if you can see him. It's possibly the biggest horns I've ever seen on a goat. He could do some damage. I'm almost there. My car's still there, that's a bonus. Oh, in fact, I'm so happy I made it. I'm gonna sign off. I did the bloody waterfall. Nothing to do with paranormal, I just did it. I'll probably go again there again in another 20 years time. Anyway, leave a like if you like this video, leave a sub if you're new to my channel because I'm fucked. Thanks for watching and bye for now.